I had some items that I purchased a while ago, and when I purchase these things, I want to make sure, I buy them off, on a discount, or it's one of those items where you buy something and you get a gift if you spend a certain amount. And sometimes what I notice with Ulta is some of the items, if you do purchase them, you don't have to spend a certain amount. You just have to buy an item and you get that free item. The thing with these sample items is you must keep in mind that they're not always the 5-star items. They may be items that just came out, or maybe they're lower. And I think this is what the companies do. It's like a strategy. So if they notice that the product is underrated or not too many people try it because of the low reviews, then they want to promote those items. So I think that's the reason why these companies make these sample sizes of these items that are not doing as well. So these are the items that I got. The first item is It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask. This one had 5 out of 5 stars, and that's the reason why I purchased it. One thing for sure, it wasn't on sale. It was $30.89, and I got the smaller size one because I just wanted to try it out. But the reviews on it were so good, even though it wasn't on sale, I had to purchase it. And not only that, with any purchase, I believe, no, with $25 worth of It's a 10 product, then you get 2 of these for free. And I think that's the reason why I bought it, because for one, It's a 10 hair mask is really nice and it works really well. And you also get 2 giant size, actually these are pretty big, samples. They're not the regular sample sizes, they're actually bigger. So they're about 2 ounces each. And not only that, you can actually purchase these at Ulta too. And I'll give you the price on these and show you how much I saved by getting these for free. And the other item that I bought is this by Urban Decay Shadow Box. Okay, this one's wrapped really well. So here it is. And I knew that the palette was going to be on the smaller range. This was originally $34 and I got it for $17. And what really drew me, to this palette was the different colors, and it had pretty good ratings. I don't try to buy anything that has low rating because what's the point, Drew me to this palette is the green and the indigo blue on the palette. That was really pretty to me. There's, blackout, which is just black, flat, matte color. And then I love purple. And yeah, just really love purple. It really works well for me. And then there's some shadows in here that could be used as highlighters for your cheeks as well. So I think this is really nice. I mean, it's not heavy. It's cute. And the price for $17, you can't really beat that. Let me see the ounce on this. Each pod is 0.5 grams. And there's 12 eyeshadows. So this is really good, Like, I can never finish any of my eyeshadow colors. Like, in fact, I bought one 3 months ago and I'm still using it. So, and it hasn't even touched the pan. So this is a really good, I like it. 2 samples that I did get is the Daily Facial Cleanser from Cetaphil, and I really love getting facial cleansers because it seems like I go through these the most out of all my face products. And then the second item that I got is another face cleanser by Garnier. And normally these are not the products that I would normally buy myself. The products that I do stick with are Clinique and Estee Lauder face washes. So it's kind of nice to, sometimes try out different items. So that's the nice thing about getting fruit products, You're not going to purchase them, but it's enough for you to try them like 2 to 3 times to be like, oh, I really like this. And then, next time you're going to purchase it. So overall, I am pretty happy with this purchase. I did get some items for half off. And to me, this is a lot of free items for the amount of money that I spent. And let me just go through overall merchandise total. It cost me $47.89. I saved roughly $42. These 2 samples, I don't know if they're for sale right now, but when I did go back to the Ulta website, it showed that it's not available and that each of these items are $12.33. So that alone is a lot of money to me. To buy 2 of these, it would have cost me $24, but here I got it for free and I got to try it out. And I like their products, and I'm really excited about trying these facial cleansers. I'm really excited about these. So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to do reviews on any of these. Then I'll be more than happy to give you guys my feedback, how I felt about them, and if I really do recommend this product for you guys to buy. Alright, bye!